Respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Do you want to become great sales manager? Yes, with just little conscious efforts you can do it. Developing star sales team is always a challenging task for every type of organization worldwide. It is highly sensitive and critical part of the management, as sales is a revenue generating unit, therefore highly important for the success of a company. Human capital is one of the most important resource a company owns, but managing this resource is also a most complicated job to do. I am going to break down these complications into few simple steps that you can follow to manage your team effectively. To be realistic, it is never science to determine the exact outcome of a sales activity. But don't be disappointed. Lots of theories have been generated after extensive experimentation, thereby formulated effective sales management techniques. You can apply these techniques effectively in your organization. These simple techniques can bring out great positive change in the productivity of your team if applied correctly. Before I begin, I would like to share my story that revolutionized my life as a sales manager. In my tenure of working as a trainer in a leading multinational company, people would often come to me and say, "Dear Naveed, we really enjoy your training session, but in actual practice, these concepts do not work well." That would sometimes make me doubtful too, that maybe these concepts are theoretical ones with less practicality. Until I started working as a sales manager for a problematic and challenging team with lots of concerns and complications. I was handed over the team with extreme burnout situations, and I had to convert this hopeless team into a productive one. It was all effective sales management techniques that helped me achieve exceptional results in a short period of 5 months. My team was able to achieve targets with a growth of 60%. That was simply amazing in that particular portfolio of mature products. This particular event in my life made me passionate about the art of sales management. Now come to point. What are these effective sales management techniques? I have divided these techniques into two parts. One is skills of a manager, and number two is roles of a sales manager. So first, what are the skills of a manager? There are 4 skills that are required to be effective sales manager. These 4 skills are: number 1, analytical skills; number 2, coaching skills; number 3, leadership skills; number 4, people management skills. Now we'll discuss one by one. Number 1, analytical skills. Sales analysis is always important for every type of organization. Wherever there is sales analysis is to be done and usually being done. But effective and objectively analyzing the data is productive for improving the sales team. After clear analysis and communicating this analysis to the team members will motivate them to improve their action plan. This is not a difficult task. Actually, on Excel you can take this data and analyze on daily basis, and you can communicate. Along with sales analysis, a sales manager must also go for product analysis, competition analysis, market analysis, as well as people analysis. After analyzing all these things, he can improve his team to a productive level. Number 2, coaching skills. Coaching is a discussion process in which each individual is identified and work on a particular task. Sales manager should work with him to improve his qualities on these particular tasks. That helps improving overall personality and overall quality of or development level of a person, thereby improving to a higher level. If all team members are improved, he will get the improved team. Number 3, leadership skills. A good leader must have clear vision. Not only he must have the vision, but he must translate his vision to the team visions, as well as he must provide clear goal, clear direction and clear expectations to his team members that motivate them and motivate to work them in a clear direction. Number 4 is people management, which is extremely important. Regarding people management, 2 things must be in consideration. Number 1 is attitude and his behavior. Behavior means what he says and what he do. So you will have to improve his behavior, and modification of behavior, positive modification will lead towards the effective sales member. That will lead to an effective sales team. With the help of these skills, we can define the roles of a sales manager. What are these roles? These are 7 roles of a sales manager. Number 1, planning a well-organized team structure. After analysis of the products, after analysis of the people, market, competition, he must make a well-organized team structure. Once team structure is defined, he must go for hiring and recruiting. That is our second point. Hiring and recruiting is very important to get the best team. Potential candidate can be evaluated once your roles and responsibilities have been written, and after roles and responsibilities define the key tasks that a person have to perform. So evaluating these tasks, you can get the best sales team. So this is second point, which is hiring and recruiting. Number 3, developing confident teams. After hiring and recruiting the salesperson, you should develop them into productive and confident members so that they can perform their duties effectively. Then is leading the team for high commitment level. Fourth point is leading the team for a high commitment level. You must give them a clear direction, vision, roles and responsibilities, even clear expectation, so that they can motivate to work and perform their duties. So this is important. Number 5 is on-the-job coaching. On-the-job coaching improves the development level of each person of your team member. So by improving their level of productivity, you can improve the qualities of your team. So it will become a star sales team. Number 6, managing the team. Timely decision making is important, and if appropriate decisions are taken timely, it will help your team developing a star sales team. 7, and most important, is rewarding. Once the team is giving result, the team members who are performing well should be rewarded. In sales teams, reward is most important. Financial rewards should be developed in such a way that it should be motivational one, and along with financial reward, non-financial reward should also be considered. So these are the 7 roles of a sales manager that help making your team to a star sales team. Thank you very much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.